Alright. What's up, everybody? Jacob here with Happy to Help Handyman Services and Ward Built. So today we're doing some more window trim removal on the side of my house to go ahead and get rid of all of this nasty looking stuff right here. Make it look nicer. Well, next stuff we're gonna do, the new stuff, we're gonna make it fit all the way exactly around the window frame, as opposed to sitting there and having all of this excess bullshit, whatever this is out here. We're just gonna keep it nice, clean, keep a couple lines, couple boards, keep everything looking fresh. When I got this one off and taken apart, it took me probably about 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes, depending, just because I don't like heights, and well, I have to get on a ladder, even a 6-foot one. Still don't like heights, even though I'm about 5'11", 6 foot, just depends on what boots I wear. So let's get taking some stuff apart. You gonna stay like that? Alright, cool. Oh, see? That's what I was talking about. Okay. Stay. No. Don't you do it, phone. Off, add it to the bottom. Oh, there's the thing broken off. Give it. Alright. We're gonna go under the window. Gotta be careful not to break the window. So always put your tool underneath it, pull away, underneath, pull away, pull away, pull away. Now this is particle board crap, so it's gonna break off. Expect it to come off in chunks, but no matter how many chunks you get, make sure you get them all. Keep up to you guys, and I'm done with this.